Welcome to E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals, your top choice for dumpster rental in Selma, California. At E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals, we understand that efficient waste disposal is essential for the success of your projects. Our diverse range of dumpster sizes ensures that we have the perfect solution for any job, from small residential cleanups to large commercial constructions. Our commitment to excellence means you receive reliable, timely service every time. Our expert team is dedicated to providing you with the best possible experience, offering guidance to help you choose the right dumpster for your needs. When you choose E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals for dumpster rental in Selma, California, you partner with a company that values reliability, professionalism, and customer satisfaction. With prompt delivery and pickup, we make waste management straightforward and stress-free. Choose E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals for dumpster rental in Selma, California, and experience the difference that comes with partnering with a trusted local expert. Visit us at www.eetransportllc.com Dumpster Rental Selma CA, or call 559-417-7599 today to learn more and book your rental. E&E Transport and Dumpster Rentals, your reliable partner in waste management.